So it's your first time installing wheel spacers. I got you. Just follow these steps in this video. You'll have it on in less than 5 minutes. And you'll have it on properly. I'll let the comments on TikTok be the judge. First things first, get you one of these. You want to get the rust off. I need both hands for this right here, but you get the rust off from around the hub and get the rust off from here. Mine doesn't have that much because I already cleaned it before, but we doing it again. Now that you got this boy cleaned up to where it's a nice flat surface, you want to get some anti-seize, and this is where some people may differ, but I don't like my hub sticking. I don't like my stuff sticking to the hub, and you never know, I might have to take this off at some point. But you pretty much just want to get around the hub. It don't need to be too thick, so just spread out what you can. Get around this hub, get all of the front of this bad boy. Just slather that bad boy on, man. So that should be able to spread around this whole thing. You don't need too much. So now that you got your anti-seize, I just overdo it a little bit. Now that you got your anti-seize, of course, wipe this stuff off. You want to get you my favorite thing to use right here. Loctite. You want to get you some Loctite. My TikTok critics, man. I only go halfway up the thread. You don't have to overdo it. It's gonna spread itself out. After this, we're gonna get to the good part. Now we're gonna get a nice hub. This bad boy thick than the mug, ain't it? This about as thick as my... Never mind. Get this bad boy on, and then it should be a nice flush little fit. And we're gonna take these bad boys off and pretty much just hand tighten them into the hole. We got our Loctite, everything should be good. We put it on the studs. Now for some people, if you end up throwing this bad boy on and the studs protrude or they poke out, you need to make sure your wheel is capable of being put on without cutting it, because you're gonna run into a whole lot of bit of problems. And if you gotta cut something, you might as well just go ahead and go to the machine shop. We're gonna be back when I put these on though. Now that we got them in pretty much hand tight, well, not hand tight, but we got them in by hand, what you want to do is get your ugga dugger, and you want to take your time with this because you do not want it to break, because it will break, snap, something will happen. So get your ugga dugger, take your time. I didn't tighten it all the way, mind you. I just got it enough to where it hooked. It's gonna help even out the pressure before we tighten it down. There we go. Boom. So what you wanna do now is go in a star pattern, just the same as you would put your wheels on. So we go ugga dugga this, ugga dugga this, ugga dugga this, ugga dugga this, and ugga dugga this. We just went in the star pattern. Now you got this bad boy on. You want to put your tire on and check for the fitment. Like I said, make sure the studs aren't hitting the wheel, and you pretty much complete. I say drive it for about a month, come back and check and see if these bolts are loose. But if you put the Loctite on, it should not have moved that much. Still torque them down regardless. So give it about a month. I don't care, give it a week. Just make sure that everything is torqued down, because you do not want this bad boy coming off. This is a rear-wheel drive car. Your car might be faster. My car isn't that fast, the 5.7. But for right now, you just want to make sure everything is secure. But you pretty much got it on, man. Let's check the fitment. As you can see, fitment check. Hold on, position a little bit. Gotta get the clip for that. But look at that. You can't tell me that don't look good from the back. I think I got the right size, man. They stick out just enough. If I was to change anything, I probably would get exactly 2 inches.